Express yourself. Highlight your preferences using intonation and stress. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we are going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English conversation, using intonation and stress to emphasize preferences. Yes, that's right. How you say something is just as important as what you're saying. So let's explore this in more detail. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by intonation and stress. Intonation is all about the rise and fall of your voice, while stress refers to the emphasis you place on certain words. Together, they play a crucial role in conveying your feelings and intentions in a conversation. For instance, saying, "I like chocolate," with a stress on like, can subtly express your fondness for chocolate. Now, let's see how intonation can help in expressing preferences. In English, a rising intonation often indicates a question or uncertainty, while a falling intonation suggests a statement or decision. So, if you're unsure about your preference, you might say, "I guess I prefer action movies," with your voice rising at the end. But if you're certain, you would say, "I prefer action movies," with a falling intonation. Stress, on the other hand, can be used to compare or contrast preferences. When you stress the word that represents your preference, it stands out in the sentence. For instance, "I like coffee but I love tea," clearly emphasizes your greater preference for tea over coffee. Combining both intonation and stress can powerfully express your preferences. Consider the phrase, "I prefer pizza to pasta." If you say this with a falling intonation, it sounds like a firm statement of preference. But add a stress on pizza, "I prefer pizza to pasta," and it suddenly becomes a passionate declaration of your love for pizza. The best way to master intonation and stress is through practice. Start with simple sentences, then move on to more complex statements of preference. Try it in front of a mirror, record your voice, or practice with a friend. The more you do it, the more naturally it will come to you. Remember, expressing preferences isn't just about the words you use, but how you use your voice to deliver them. With the right intonation and stress, your likes and dislikes will be clearly understood and you'll sound more like a native speaker. That's all for today's video. Keep practicing and soon you'll be expressing your preferences in English with ease and confidence. Happy learning!